The Assyrian Empire, once the most feared power in the ancient world, had become a symbol of brutality. Generations had suffered under their cruelty. Nahum's prophecy wasn't whispered, it was proclaimed, like a trumpet to the winds. The Lord is a jealous and avenging God. The Lord takes vengeance on his foes and vents his wrath against his enemies. But listen closely. This is not wild rage. Nahum isn't painting a picture of a God out of control. He's showing us a God slow to anger, yet great in power. A God who gives space to repent, but who will not let evil win forever. There comes a day when injustice must end, and that day had come for Nineveh.